So far so good. We got this far. I mean, I will not need the whole entire strips of wood. I just need a couple of them, but still I want to have them ready whenever I have a different project, you know. So here you go, guys. Continuing. So this is what I got. I got a couple of good ones. Some they do need some work. Of course, most of them need to get sanded down, which I will. So it makes it look pretty. Anyway, so yep. Well, I picked up the best ones so far. These are the prettiest ones, nicer looking ones. Like I said, of course, it still needs some sanding down. So far, these three are the nicest ones. So this is what it came out. Look at that thing. So nice and smooth. Yup. Ready to do some wood burning. So far so good. Look at this. Very nice. Very nice color. Oh yeah. Let's wait for the end result. Alright, so far, so this is what we got. We're about to do welcome right here.